ओके, सो एक कैंपेन क्रिएट करने के लिए क्या क्या स्टेप्स आपको फॉलो करना जरूरी है वो हम लोग बेसिकली इस क्लास में आज सीखेंगे। देखो सबसे पहला है यू हैव टू डू अ डिटेल्ड बिजनेस रिसर्च। बिजनेस रिसर्च मीनिंग इज व्हाट? बिजनेस रिसर्च मीनिंग इज यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड योर प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस। आपका प्रोडक्ट में यूएसपी क्या है, यू हैव टू फिगर इट आउट। अगर आप अपना प्रोडक्ट में यूएसपी नहीं समझोगे यू कैन नॉट कम्युनिकेट विद योर ऑडियंस। नेक्स्ट इज बिजनेस रिसर्च के अंदर ये आता है टाइप्स ऑफ बिजनेस क्या है, लाइक B2B, B2C, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दोस स्टफ। क्योंकि अगर आप ये सारी चीजें पॉइंट्स नहीं समझते हो यू कैन नॉट कम्युनिकेट विद योर एंड कस्टमर। जैसे आपका बिजनेस रिसर्च हो जाता है, नेक्स्ट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड योर टारगेट ऑडियंस, who actually your potential customer. What is their age bracket? What is their gender? What is their locations? What is their interest? You have to figure it out. Until unless जब तक आप अपना टारगेट ऑडियंस को फिगर आउट नहीं कर पाते हो you cannot run any campaign. Once target audience is done, next is goal. What's your goal? If you want to launch a campaign, what's your goal? Your goal will be purchase, your goal will be like leads. What exactly you want to do? If you want to sell your products, so accordingly you need to set up your goal. If you want to generate leads because you are dealing with high value goods or services, you have to go with leads. Once goals is set up, next is add communications. Now this is very important. In today's time, there is multiple ways through which you can communicate with your audience, like maybe through your text ads, maybe your video ads, maybe image ad. So you need to understand how you want to communicate. You need to make a sort of communication so that your end consumer will understand your product in a better way and then they will take an action, right? जब तक आप ये नहीं कर लेते हो, communication नहीं समझ लेते हो, you cannot go ahead. Once you're ready for your campaign, next you have to do tracking. The tracking meaning is what? Purpose of tracking is basically two. One is ROI. So you need to understand how much you are investing for your campaign and how much you are getting in return, right? Let's suppose you are spending 50,000 rupees. So how much return you are expecting? That you need to understand with the help of tracking. और अगर आप लोग ट्रैकिंग नहीं करते हो you cannot do remarketing because you have to do remarketing and remarketing अगर आप नहीं कर सकते हो you have to find out always new visitors. तो जैसे ट्रैकिंग सेटअप कर लेते हैं नेक्स्ट एंड फाइनल स्टेप विल बी रीमार्केटिंग। क्लियर है? चलो